Hey everybody, let me show you what I got going on here today. I have this Samsung with an i7. This is a Samsung NP930xcj. So this came in, was no posting, no image. So opened it up, disconnected the battery. Sometimes you disconnect the battery. Maybe you got like a frozen BIOS or something and it wakes it up. I got no result with that. I did a visual inspection. Everything looked clean. Then I went next to disconnect all peripherals. Peripherals meaning flex cables, take the hard drive off, all those things, just to see if you can have one of those components create a short to not allow it to boot up. So did all that. And then lastly, I actually disconnected the LCD cable, which is this one. You see it's disconnected right now. So when I disconnected that, you see damage there. I cleaned this damage up already, but it was like really bad. You can see that that's damage there. There was corrosion, all kinds of stuff on there. And a little bit also, you could kind of see it there. So it's interesting. I don't think it was any liquid because there's no residue anywhere around it or anywhere else. It could have just shorted out. So when I did disconnect it, I got some external video here from the HDMI and connected it up there to my monitor. Computer's booting up. So we got here is a damaged LCD connector. The challenge here is when you got a damaged LCD connector like this, you don't know if it's just the connector, if the LCD got shorted somehow, likely. And then you also don't know if the actual board components, circuits are damaged as well. So the only way really of knowing is by replacing the LCD. Now, unfortunately, this unit is a high-end unit, and it's not a common laptop. So when you go online, look for parts, look for an LCD connector, not available. So the only thing I found online were the whole LCD lids, which is basically the whole assembly. So that would be the option to test an LCD assembly. Could work, could not. I mean, there we would have a new LCD, we would have a new flex, but we don't know the extent on the board side if it got damaged. So basically just be a hit or miss. We'd order that, try it on. If it works, we're good to go. If it doesn't, we just basically return it. So another option is just to use this kind of like as a desktop, just like this. Don't connect the LCD. Attach it to a monitor and just close it up and just use it, like a little desktop. And basically, there's no expense there to repair it. It is a good computer. It's got a 10th Gen i7, 8 gigs of RAM, the solid state drive, 500 gigs. So worst case scenario, yeah, just use it just like that. Just like that. Set it up in front of a monitor. Like that. Set it up in front of a monitor and as well. That's what's going on right here, right now at PC 911.